Good morning children, welcome to English class. Okay, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Okay, in last class we have completed our story half only. Okay, till half we have learned. First of all, what is our title name children? What is the title of the lesson? Who gets the treasure? Okay, who gets the treasure? What we have learned, okay, in previous class, there how many friends there are? Two friends there. What are those names? Charlie and Harry. What they want? They want a job. Where they went? They went to rich farmer. What the rich farmer told? The rich farmer told they have to do one task, then only they will get job. Till where we have learned is the Charlie is bored with doing the work and he slept for some time. Let's see next one. See in page number 54 studio. Harry says, I will not sleep. I will work hard for this. I want the job. Okay, Charlie is what the Charlie is telling. Charlie, he is bored with the work and he slept. And what Harry is telling? Harry, he will not sleep and he will work hard because he wants the job. Let's see. Harry works hard the whole day. Whole day means from morning onwards till evening. The Harry works whole day. He is feeding the last few animals on the farm. That means most of the animals he feeded and last few animals will be left. No, at that time the Harry is feeding those animals. When he opens the last packet of food, he finds many gold coins. What happened? When food is ready, no, already they have kept. He is opening that last packet of the food. What the Harry found? Gold coins are there in the food packet. Okay. What is surprise? He takes it to the farmer. The farmer likes his honesty. Okay. What the Harry do? Okay, the Harry seen so many gold coins in the food packet and he got surprised so much. But what the Harry actually have to do? Oh, so many coins, I got gold. I have to get away from this place. I don't want job. Now I am having so many gold coins. No, shall I leave from this place? Like that Harry think? No. Okay, నాకు చాలా గోల్డ్ కాయిన్స్ వచ్చేసినాయి కదా, ఇంకెందుకు నేను ఇక్కడ ఉండి పని కోసం ఇంత కష్టపడడం, నేను ఇక్కడి నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి త్వరగా అని అనుకున్నాడా? No, he didn't did like that, but he went to farmer and told this. I got this gold coins in this food packet, farmer. See, like that he told to farmer. Then what the farmer did? He likes his honesty. Honesty means what children? See, they have given one meaning here. Honesty means the quality of being truthful. Okay, truthful means నిజాలు, ఎప్పుడు నిజం చెప్పేవారు. Okay, the quality of being truthful. Okay, write down honesty. H-O-N-E-S-T-Y. Honesty. Okay, the quality of being truthful. Okay, everyone read honesty. T-H-E, the quality. Q-U-A-L-I-T-Y. Quality of O-F of being. B-E-I-N-G. Being truthful. Okay, T-R-U-T-H-F-U-L. Truthful. Okay, honesty means the quality of being truthful. Okay, the farmer likes this Harry's honesty. Yes, the Harry is very honest and he gave the gold coins to farmer. he gives Harry the coins to keep. What the farmer did? Oh, I like your honesty very much. Keep it with you, these coins. Don't give to me. Like that, the farmer gave gold coins to Harry in return. Harry gets the job too. Okay, he got the gold coins and he got the job also. Because the farmer likes the Harry, no? Yes, that's why he gave the work also. The farmer says, "Thank you for working hard. My animals are happy. You have got the job." What the farmer told? "Thank you for working hard. All my animals are very happy and you got job also." Like that the farmer told to Harry. Charlie wakes up later. Okay, wakes up after a long sleep. Okay, for a long time the Charlie slept and he sees the farmer leaving. Okay, the farmer is leaving the farm. When he got up like this, he can saw the farmer is going away. Now the farmer says to him, now the farmer is telling to Charlie, "Oh Charlie, you did not work hard. My animals would have all been hungry if it was only you feeding them. I cannot give you the job. You must work hard in life." See what the farmer is telling. "Oh Charlie, you didn't work hard. If I gave you only for you, if I assign this work, all my animals will be so hungry. You didn't work hard. You slept. Isn't it? That's why you are not getting any job. You have to work hard in life." What we have to do? What the Charlie have to do? You have to work hard, then only you will get the job. Isn't it? See last lines. "You did not work hard. My animals would have all have been hungry. If it was only you feeding them, I cannot give you the job. You must work hard in life." What the last sentence, children? You. Y-O. You must. M-U-S-T. Must. Okay. You must work. W-O-R-K. Work hard. H-A-R-D. Hard. You must work hard in life. Okay, what we have to do? We have to work hard. Not only Charlie, it will comes to us also. Okay, if you are sleeping, if you are not doing work at the time, you will not achieve anything and we will not succeed in anything. Okay, we have to work hard to get something. Not only job, whatever we have to, we want to get, we have to work hard. See, you must work hard in life. Okay children, this is about our story. Who gets the treasure? Who will get the treasure now? Tell me. The person who works hard, then only he will get the treasure. Those who are lazy, those who want to sleep, those who don't want to do work, they will not get any treasure in their lives. Okay, who will get the treasure? The person who works hard. Okay children, this is about our story and read this meaning. Along with this, read the story once again and find the difficult words and practice on those words. Okay children, this is about today's English class. Tomorrow onwards, we will go with the textual exercises. Thank you. Have a nice day.